Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Billionaire sounds alarm. Gary Gensler, transforming U.S. into a technology wasteland, urges overhaul of SEC leadership and regulatory strategy for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Billionaire Tim Draper accuses SEC Chair Gary Gensler of inhibiting cryptocurrency innovation in the U.S. through his policies, stating that traditional SEC oversight isn't applicable to the crypto sector. Draper highlights the need for clear regulatory guidelines, indicating that the current U.S. regulatory climate is baffling and discourages innovation within the cryptocurrency industry. In an interview with Fox Business's The Clayman Countdown, billionaire and Bitcoin enthusiast Tim Draper presented a bold critique of Gary Gensler, the chair of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Draper accused Gensler's policies of impeding cryptocurrency innovation, damaging the United States' technological progress, and potentially transforming the country into a technological wasteland within a span of 4 decades. Draper stated, "Crypto is coming. AI is coming. What is this new fear about spreading technologies?" Suggesting that emerging technologies should be embraced, not stifled. He emphasized that these technological advancements, like smartphones and Teslas, are the new bedrock of progress and development. According to Draper, while most cryptocurrency companies are open to regulation and are seeking clear guidelines to operate within, the current regulatory framework is discouraging innovation due to its complexity. He strongly criticized Gensler's approach, stating that it lacks precision and is potentially pushing innovation out of the country. Draper said, "That is going to drive all the innovation right out of the country. It makes no sense at all. He is damaging our country if he is going to do that." Reflecting on Coinbase's experience, Draper praised Brian Armstrong, the CEO of the largest crypto exchange in the U.S. by volume. Despite the SEC recently charging Coinbase with alleged securities violations, Draper commended Armstrong for his dedication to operating within the law, even amidst an unclear regulatory environment. In Draper's eyes, Armstrong and Coinbase represent the innovative spirit that is set to transform the global economy with new technologies like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. He asserted that the future of this potential transformation within the U.S. would be greatly determined by the country's regulatory approach to these emerging technologies. Price prediction. Bitcoin price today is $26,000 with a 24-hour trading volume of $46.86 billion, market cap of $504.35 billion, and market dominance of 47.03%. The BTC price decreased -0.48% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from June 14, 2023, at 6 o'clock, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 15 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 16 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on June 14, 2023, at 6 o'clock. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $25,990, Bitcoin has support levels of $25,680, $25,450, and the strongest at $25,140. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $26,220, $26,530, and $26,760. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $30,956, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 46, fear. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.40 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.73%, meaning 330,739 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 151 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 16 days, since May 29, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 518 days ago, on January 12, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 127 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $25,259 by July 13, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $25,869 by July 13, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 41.65, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to drop by -3.13% and reach $25,211 by June 19, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 46, fear. Bitcoin recorded 50% green days with 1.95% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.